Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change your airdrop name on iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone and you are looking for how to change airdrop name. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this settings section. After click over there, scroll down and you're going to find here general. After click over general, you need to click the about section, and after that we're going to find the name section. Right now my phone name is Abdurrahim iPhone. So if you decide to change the name, you can easily type any name you want. You can easily type whatever airdrop you would like. After that you can just go back, and then so from now everywhere my phone airdrop name going to be appear this iPhone 12. So in this simple way you can easily change airdrop name in your iPhone 13 Pro Max or any model of iPhone. So that's for now.